Well, guys, here we are spending the day with my grandson hiking, and of course, Apollo and Diamond. It's a nice day finally. It's been like 50 degrees all this week. It's been cold and raining. So far, it's a nice weather, guys. Look at this. I love this. I'm telling you, if I could be here every day, which I could, it would be awesome. Okay, where's Princess Diamond? There she is. And of course, my loyal servant, Apollo. We're gonna go down. We're going on one part of the mountain. And then I'm gonna show you guys what they're doing to the park, because they're fixing it. So let me pause you guys and I'll be right back. Okay, here we are, going down this little slant. Oh Lord. It went from, like I'm telling you, it went from 50 degrees to basically like 90. It's hot today, but I'm not complaining, guys. I'm not complaining. I could do with the heat. But when it's cold and rainy, you can't do anything but just be stuck in the house. So, guys, my grandson graduated. Very good. There he is. Say hello. And what's your name? And there's the little bridge. Guys, they're fixing the hiking trails and the park. I will show you what they're doing. They're putting a new trail in this part. See, they're fixing everything. They're gonna be taking this bridge out and renewing it. So yeah, guys, but I love this. You guys can see, let me bring you guys closer. See, there is a tractor. They're doing, as you guys can see, a new trail. It's not gonna be a road. They just put gravel, but it's not gonna be a road. Oh, sorry, a bug went into my ear. And let me bring you, I don't want to make you guys dizzy. And then there. And then there is my grandson. All right, let me push you guys back. We gotta go that way. So that's where we're going. I will show you another part that they're fixing. Guys, this video is part of an open collaboration. It used to be called Get Back in Track, but now it's called Easy Meals. So it's like to share our meals, to be healthy. But today I'm spending the day out with my grandson. There's more ways that you can stay healthy by walking, exercising. So guys, if you have 10 minutes, go for a walk in those 10 minutes. You know, those 10 minutes could do a lot for you, health-wise, mentally-wise, and body-wise. And enjoy the day. Go out there, spend time with your families. And also, you can also spend time with your family by sharing a healthy meal. Guys, hold on. Guys, I also want to say, check my description box, which this collaboration is hosted by Anna, the Grace Life DIY, Buckeye Girls, Rip and Things, and myself, Deborah Cabasa. Guys, we have a lot of lovely ladies taking part in this collaboration. And also, don't forget to check out Tablescape Tuesday. She have a new hashtag, which is Tablescape Tuesdays 2023. And also on the 14th, I have a open collaboration. So check out my videos. I will tag it in the tag up here or up here so you guys can participate. And I'm going to leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. Stop. It will be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.